Is it time to buy or sell Advanced Micro Devices stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 9th of April, 2025, our system has classified Advanced Micro Devices as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.44. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations but currently reflects a loss of 0.00% since our initial hold or accumulate recommendation. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating the likelihood of further decreases. The present 3-month trend implies a potential change of negative 19.09% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 35.01% to negative 7.99%. Evaluating the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 31.99%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 45.26% and negative 1.74% over the next year. In current terms, this places the future price within a range of $53.01 to $95.15. Our latest daily update for Advanced Micro Devices includes the headline, Significant Movements in Advanced Micro Devices Stock Price on Wednesday, fluctuating 24.13% between high and low. The Advanced Micro Devices stock price gained 23.82% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 9th of April, 2025, rising from $78.21 to $96.84. During this trading day, the stock fluctuated 24.13%, with a low of $78.87 and a high of $97.90. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 12.12% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day alongside the price, a positive technical indicator, with a total of 27 million more shares traded than the previous day. In total, 96 million shares changed hands for approximately $9.26 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $187.28, while the lowest was $76.48. Currently, the price is 48.29% or $90.44 below the 52-week high, and 57.40% or $130.46 below the all-time high reached on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price peaked at $227.30. Advanced Micro Devices, commonly known as AMD, is demonstrating strong activity in the semiconductor market, particularly within the artificial intelligence sector, where it competes with companies such as Broadcom. The launch of AMD's new 5th-generation EPYC processors is anticipated to significantly enhance performance for cloud services offered by Google, highlighting AMD's role in delivering scalable and cost-effective solutions for enterprises. Furthermore, AMD's recent announcement of its Advancing AI 2025 initiative indicates a strategic focus on expanding its artificial intelligence capabilities and partnerships, which could attract attention from investors seeking growth in this high-demand area. However, the company faces challenges, evidenced by a recent downgrade from KeyBank due to ongoing competitive pressures from rivals such as NVIDIA and Intel in both the server and personal computer markets. Additionally, external factors like potential tariffs between the United States and China could introduce volatility, impacting the stock in the near term. Investors will also be closely watching for AMD's upcoming fiscal first quarter financial results report on the 6th of May, which could influence market sentiment. In the short term, these developments may lead to fluctuations in AMD's stock price. particularly if results underperform or unexpected surprises arise from the competitive landscape. Long-term, AMD's commitment to innovation in artificial intelligence and cloud technologies could reinforce its market position, positioning the stock for sustained growth despite these temporary hurdles. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 27th of March, 2025, it was reported that Jefferies assigned AMD a hold grade, accompanied by a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 11th of March, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup provided AMD with a neutral grade and a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Wells Fargo rated AMD as overweight with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Piper Sandler also rated AMD as overweight with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 19th of February, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup had given AMD a buy grade along with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Advanced Micro Devices stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as neutral. The following signals have been identified for Advanced Micro Devices. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025, and so far it has risen approximately 23.82%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is identified. Volume is rising alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence the near-term development. The Advanced Micro Devices stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average, yet the long-term average presents a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the stock, leading to a more negative forecast. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $101.65. In the event of a decline, the stock will find some support from the short-term average at $92. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, whereas a drop below the short-term average will trigger an additional sell signal, further reinforcing the overall signal. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some intriguing signals you might consider. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal, 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 5 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 111 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 105 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you're interested in finding more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Advanced Micro Devices. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $85.76 and $83.64. There is an inherent risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this point could lead to further declines. In this instance, Advanced Micro Devices sees support at $85.76. Should this level be breached, the next points of support from accumulated volume are at $83.64 and $78.21. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicated by its high volatility and a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, categorizing it as high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $19.03 between its high and low, which is a percentage change of 24.13%. For the past week, the daily average volatility of the stock has been 13.97%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Advanced Micro Devices, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A high PE ratio may indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 29th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 93 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for advanced micro devices. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for advanced micro devices is at $112.01. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, advanced micro devices encounters its first support level at $85.76. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for advanced micro devices from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 14th of March 2025, Papermaster Mark D executed an insider buy of 17,500 shares of common stock. On the same day, Papermaster Mark D also performed an insider sell of 15,708 shares of common stock. Additionally, on that date, Papermaster Mark D conducted another insider sell of 1,792 shares of common stock. Furthermore, on the 14th of March 2025, Papermaster Mark D executed an insider sell of 17,500 shares of stock option grant. On the 12th of March 2025, Vanderslice Elizabeth W. conducted an insider sell of 12,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 15.249. In total, insiders acquired 978,454 shares and sold 1,382,875 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $92.81, reflecting a decline of 4.16%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which presents a higher level of risk. A buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom established just 1 day ago. Is Advanced Micro Devices stock a good buy? Advanced Micro Devices shows several positive indicators. However, these are not sufficient to classify it as a buy option at this time. Presently, it is better viewed as a hold candidate, meaning investors may want to maintain or accumulate their shares while monitoring future developments. Our analysis has been updated from a strong sell recommendation to a hold or accumulate stance since our last evaluation. Upon reviewing the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 10th of April, we anticipate that Advanced Micro Devices will open lower by $5.64, beginning at a price of $91.20. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing funds, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to purchasing or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.